Moringa powder is everywhere right now. People are using it for energy, for glowing skin, for better digestion. But here's the real question. Do you actually know how to use it properly? Most people don't, and that's why they either see no results or use it incorrectly. Today, I'm breaking down what you truly need to know about moringa powder, the benefits, the mistakes, and how to use it the right way. The moringa tree, often called the miracle tree, has been used for centuries in Africa and Asia. But today, the market is flooded with products, different qualities, different processing methods, different advice. And not all moringa powder is created equal. The sourcing, drying method, and purity determine whether you get the benefits or just green powder with no real impact.
Moringa leaves powder is rich in vitamins A, C, and E.
It contains calcium, potassium, amino acids, and powerful antioxidants. When used properly, it can support steady energy levels, healthy skin, digestion, and overall wellness. But dosage matters, timing matters, quality matters, and this is where most people get it wrong. That's exactly why I created my ebook titled What You Need to Know About Moringa Leaves Powder. Inside, I break down the correct dosage, who should avoid it, how to choose high-quality moringa, how to use it for energy, skin, and digestion, common mistakes to avoid. If you truly want to benefit from moringa safely and effectively, this guide gives you everything in one place. I also provide carefully sourced moringa leaves powder that meets the standards I discuss in the ebook.
Fresh, properly dried, carefully packaged to preserve nutrients.
When you combine the right knowledge with the right product, that's when you start seeing real results. If you'd like a copy of the ebook, simply comment ebook below.
If you're interested in getting high-quality moringa powder, comment powder.
And if you want both the complete guide and the moringa powder, comment both. I'll personally guide you on the next steps. Moringa is powerful, but only when used correctly. Don't just follow trends, get informed, use quality products, and take control of your health journey. If this video helped you understand moringa better, subscribe for more wellness education. Stay informed, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.